Well, we've all been there. It's Friday, 4 p.m., and your boss sends 20 different branch reports that need to be one master file. If you're planning to copy-paste your way through this, cancel your dinner plans. Today, I'm showing you the professional way to merge unlimited files using Power Query. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it's 100% automated. Step 1. The rule of structure. For this to work perfectly, ensure all your files have the same headers. Put them in one dedicated folder. I've named mine sales_2024. Step 2. Connect the folder. In a blank Excel sheet, go to the Data tab, select Get Data from File, and then from Folder. Browse to your path and hit Open. Step 3. The magic button. You'll see a list of files. Click Combine, then Combine and Transform. Excel asks for a sample file. Just pick the first one. This tells Excel, treat every file like this one. Step 4. The Power Query Editor. This is where it gets cool. Any cleaning you do here, like removing blanks or formatting dates, will apply to all 20 files at once. Hit Close and Load when you're done. That is how you build a data pipeline in 2 minutes. You just saved yourself hours of boring work.